Welcome to another Funko review, and today I have Erin Gilbert and I have Bugs from Space Jam. I know these are a little bit mixed up, but I just chose the coolest ones, I think, or the ones I wanted to review today. So first, we're gonna do Erin. She's from the Ghostbusters 2015 Spectacular. I think it's 2016. I don't know. Yeah, it's 2016. So here she is. These are the other ones you can collect. You can collect Patty. You can collect Abby. You can collect Erin, Holtzman. Holtzman, Kevin, Gertrude Eldridge, and then you can correct Rowan's Ghost, which I think is the coolest one. I almost got him one time, but then I wanted something else. I should have got him, but unboxing her. Okay. Oh, I didn't know. Okay, now she has a little stand. Okay, guys, I'm sorry. I'm just trying to get it out. Okay. So I'm going to set her up on her stand. Because no wonder she kept falling when I took her out. Okay, guys, so this is Erin Gilbert right here. She is really cool. A really cool character. I like how she looks. She has so much detail. She looks like her from the actual movie. She looks really cool. She has like her proton pack in the back. And then she has the Ghostbusters stitch. I know, it might be a little blurry when you come up on it, but yeah. So she looks really cool and really real. So, and then she has her boots, and then she has, she looks pretty cool. And then now we got Bugs Bunny from Space Jam. So here's the side of the box. And it just says Bugs, but his name is Bugs Bunny. So. And then here's the figures you can collect are Bugs, Taz, Marvin the Martian, Swaghammer, and Mr. and M3 Blue Monster. So he is one of the ones. I found him at Loot Crate. Box Lunch. I found him at Box Lunch, and I really wanted him, so I did get him. They have a lot of Funkos there. Make sure to go check them out. They have a lot of Funkos there. Okay. So guys, you gotta admit this character is pretty classy. Like, you have to admit. Like, look at that craftsmanship. And then he has the baseball, and then he has, like, the little jersey. He has, like, so much craftsmanship inside of him. It's just amazing how he looks. Like, he looks like the real cartoon character. And I'm glad it looks like this. So there you have it, guys. You have your two amazing, cool Funkos right here. You got Erin, and then you have Bugs. So thank you guys for watching this Funko review. I hope you guys will enjoy, and I'll see you guys in the next video.